You see. Let me see. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is blindfold challenge. We are going to be eating this yummy rice with chicken and egg, and we have our money here. So whoever wins takes the other person's money. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
No Joro, okay? No Joro.
Let's go.
Close your eye now. See, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Babe, close your eye. No, I don't close them. I don't close them. Wait, close them. Baby, close your eye. I'm not saying a lie. No, don't do it like that. Baby, go close them. Baby, no, do it for this thing. What is hot? Baby, let's see. Let's see. It's so hot. It's so hot. Maybe hot to too hot. Eh? Maybe that. You don't see. Ah, babe! Cover your eye now. Cover up. You don't something. I don't know. Just cover up. Cover up, babe. You don't see. Let me see.
Don't do now.
Eat now.
You do your own.
Babe, what do you do that in cheats now? I don't know. Small. Check you. I don't go. No, just go. Finally. Listen.
I didn't do my own. That's your own business.
I don't feel sad now.
Wow. No, we can't even have that.
Which money? Don't do them well. Which one beside this thing? Why did you attack me? Huh? What do you get? Babe! I'm not trusting. Don't do this. I see you. No. Listen. No, zero. No, we're going to die now. We're going to die. That's just going to die. Okay. How about it? Come on, come on. No. Listen. Huh? No. I know that I don't know this one. Wait. What's up here? Look at I see us now. No. I see us so. Now you want problem now. I think I'm here. I want to go this one. Now you say serious now. Then you serious now. Now you start now. You don't do like that. They're not good. You're not good at all. Guys, I'm done. Hello. Open your eye. Dang. Finish. You want the chicken, I catch you. I catch you. Guys, I won. Eh? I won the money. I blame my face. Thank you, Lord. Guys, drop in the comment section who won this game, okay? Drop, but I know people will know that I am the one. Okay? Alright. Babe, then bye. We'll see you guys in another video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.